channel and welcome to your reading for July 2021. If your sun, moon, rising or Venus are in the signs of Capricorn, this reading is for you, and I hope you have watched Jupiter retrograde pick a card reading that covers 2/3 of the July, and that along with this video will give you an overall picture of what your energy is all about. Stay tuned for the weekly readings also, that will also give you more information, and event-wise reading will be happening. This is your monthly reading, of course, for July 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Capricorn. So I'm going to ask few questions and derive your energy, advice overall, and hidden factors. So let's hop on to your reading. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, July 2021. The very first question I want to ask is, what is your current energy that takes you into July 2021? Or what is the current energy of yours which takes you, or you take into July 2021? Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. The current energy. Justice, the Libra card. Are you dealing with Libra, Capricorn? Okay. Capricorn, this is a Saturn energy also. Okay, so your current energy is justice, doing the right thing, and Six of Cups, which is about memories and past, and something that puts you into that spiral of memories. Six of Cups is, Six of Moon is that card. So justice is about, even if it seems that you are thinking a lot about your past, and you are still into that Mercury retrograde phase, wherein you are thinking about your past mistakes and all that, and you're trying to do the right thing. You're trying to say sorry to people if you felt like, or you expect that to happen, and you're trying to do the right thing at this moment according to the memories you have, and you are watching your karma. Okay, justice is being served to you, something of that sort. This is what I'm getting in your energy. You're ready to cut any sort of BS or lies. You only seeing what is truth. You're ready for that. That's your current energy, but it is based on past. Okay, it is based on your past mistakes, past people, past situations, past tendencies, patterns, etc. Okay, next question that I want to ask is, what is it with this energy of memories and doing the right thing, following the cause and effect, karma and all that? With this energy, you enter into July 2021, and what is it that you don't see coming with this energy in 2021 July? What is it that you don't see coming in July 2021? Okay, so we have 8 of Moon and 5 of Swords. Okay. So what you don't see coming, Capricorn, is that you travel. Maybe you're traveling, you're going somewhere, you're leaving something behind, you're leaving some emotions behind, and that's what is past, Six of Moon was, that you leave, and you're doing that exactly the same thing. You're letting go of the past, you're trying to do the right thing. Just make sure that you only can say sorry to only few people. Not everybody will be available for you. You can correct only those mistakes that are feasible to be corrected. Otherwise, you'll have to look forward, right? So it's basically what you don't see coming is you have to let go of. See, 5 of Swords. This I think it also came for Leo, I guess. I don't remember. So 5 of Stars is a card of winning over a situation, but you're not happy about it. It is about either you boycotting somebody to have boundaries and distance, or somebody boycotts you, or there is some gossiping behind the back thing happening, and this is what you don't see coming, and you being also, it is important for you to let go of this. There can be some travel also involved. I don't know whether it is traveling from one phase of your life to the other phase. I can't put a stamp over that, but definitely you are you are letting go. You are being. I mean, there is some sort of movement forward, is what I'm seeing from the past and the emotional baggage. And that baggage has more to do with this Five of Stars, which says, for your own healing, you're staying away. So for me, Five of Stars, if the best I can actually think of is the digital detox that I take. Not at all concerned about whatever is happening, and I take 1 or 2 days gap wherein I don't use any my gadgets or whatever. I don't do any work. I only meditate or spend time with my own self doing things that I like. All right, no work also. So okay, so that's what you don't see coming, and maybe you can take a break, But yeah, definitely there is some sort of conflict you overcome which you're not happy about. But you're just trying to do something. You're just trying to move on and do the right thing. Okay, what is the piece of advice from the divine, God, angels, ascended masters, gurus, ancestors, spirit guides, spirit animals? Let's see. Whatever you believe onto, higher beings, universe. What is the piece of advice for my lovely Capricorn 1 and 2? Okay, the star and the magician. So the angels and the higher beings are saying that you have everything with you to stabilize your life, because star is all about healing. So healing is coming your way, wish fulfillment is coming your way. Don't lose hope. Magician is like you have the power to change your life. Work on your mind. You have to have that focus. Strategize things. Be diplomatic in your communication. Present yourself as a magician. Present yourself as somebody who can really heal people or heal a situation. So for that you have to heal yourself. Okay, so that's what you have to do. This is what the angels are saying, that you have these powers. Since you apply to others, you can apply to your own self also. So star is all about healing, wish fulfillment, something coming your way that gives you kind of a relief. And magician is like you have everything at your discretion to turn around your life and manifest. You are a manifester. Trust yourself and do mind work and spiritual work. So justice, a star and magician, these three major arcanas are actually telling me that somewhere down, some sort of spiritual work and energy work you should be doing, and you should really make sure. Okay, so this is Libra, this is Aquarius, and magician is Gemini and Virgo. I think you're dealing with these people. Okay. So it's a very hopeful spread that I'm getting for you, and very nice that you're trying to cut all the BS and do the right thing. Okay, let me pull 3 more cards as an overall energy read for you. Capricorn, July 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. It wants to come. Sun. See, Sun is like new beginning, healing, having everything at your discretion. Empress, very nurturing energy, and the Lovers. My goodness, Capricorn, there are so many major arcanas here. So this July month is definitely a new beginning. It's moment for you to. It's a month for you to nurture yourself. Leo, Gemini, communication. These are something that I'm getting for you. The overall energy I'm getting is a new beginning, revelation, spiritual upgradation for you. Empress is a card of really taking care of your own finances, abundance, your own health. Empress is very nurturing energy. She takes time. She has a lot of patience to handle situations. And Lovers is a card of again, loving yourself, being connected with the divine, because a star, lover, magician, justice, sun, these are very spiritual cards. Empress, she's like this Taurus Venus energy, very creative. You have to create something out of your own life by loving yourself, and you may attract some new contracts, some new beginnings can happen, because lover card is like, that Gemini energy, that having that balance between the two oppositions and being good with communication. And it's a Mercurial energy. We have two Mercury energy here. Virgo and lovers. This is Mercury, mind and communication work. So and very healing energy. So I think this is what is actually July talking about. It's a very good month. It's an abundant month, new beginning, new revelations. Just let go of the past, and yeah. So at soul level, things are changing for you, Capricorn. So please take care of yourself. That's very important. And as you take care of yourself, do not forget to nurture others, because you have that capacity to nurture people. You have the capacity to give stability to people. You have the capacity to see that, through communication, through doing the right things, through seeing the truth, and through my mind work, I can change the scenario. Not everybody in July month, because of Saturn and Jupiter being retrograde, Mars being debilitated in Cancer sign. This is not easy. You will be able to do it. That's very nice. So yeah, just let go. Move on. Let go. Move on from whatever back bitching or whatever is happening around you. So that's what I have for you as a monthly energy check-in for July 2021. Capricorn, I hope you liked it. Please comment in the comment section about how this reading resonate with you, and if you like this kind of reading, and if I can carry on with it. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your loved ones. And stay tuned for the weekly readings. Also, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.